Welcome to this video on basic electrical engineering, focusing on electrical installations and systems. We will explore the fundamental concepts that underpin this vital field. Electrical engineering rests on four key pillars: circuit analysis, measuring alternating current, building electrical machines, and installing safety systems. Each pillar is essential to the discipline. Voltage drives current, while resistance opposes it. Ohm's law describes this relationship. Kirchhoff's laws, on the other hand, ensure the system is balanced. Real-world electrical networks often contain complex paths. Engineers use theorems to simplify and reduce these complex circuits into more manageable forms for analysis. Generators create alternating current, where the power continuously changes direction. Engineers use RMS values for consistent measurement and phasors to simplify complex AC math. AC circuits are analyzed using three power metrics. Real power performs physical work, reactive power sustains magnetic fields, and apparent power is the combination of both elements. Electrical machines convert energy. Transformers step voltage up or down. DC machines use commutators, and AC motors typically use squirrel cage rotors. Electrical installations connect theory to reality. Wires conduct energy, and insulation is essential for user protection. Engineers classify cables based on the load they must handle. Switchgear is crucial for preventing equipment damage. Fuses melt during overloads, MCBs trip during short circuits, and ELCBs detect dangerous leakage currents. Faults can generate deadly stray currents. Earthing, or grounding, is vital to redirect this stray electricity into the earth, thus protecting human lives. Engineers calculate circuit parameters, and technicians harness AC power. Machines perform physical work, while installations are designed to ensure absolute safety in every application.